Hello everyone, this is Shubhadeep from 7 Boats Academy. I'm a trainer at 7 Boats. Today I'm going to talk about another cool plugin which will really make your job easier to find backlink for any site. It's called discussion button for Google. So when you are creating backlink for any niche or any website, sometimes you might find it very difficult to find communities which talk about your product. Say for example, you want to create backlink for a website which is talking about property, or you want to create backlink for a website which is talking about gym or restaurant. So to find forums, communities where people talk about this kind of services, there is a cool plugin called discussion button for Google. So let's quickly check out how this plugin looks and how to use it on Google Chrome. Okay, so here we are back on Google Chrome. So this is the plugin which I'm talking about. It's called discussion button for Google search. So search this plugin on Google Chrome and install this plugin, and once you have installed this plugin, enable it from here. You will find the plugin right here, discussion button for Google, right there. So enable it, clicking this one. So once you enable this, let's search something on Google. Let's say I want to find backlink for anything related to property investment. So property investment is our target keyword. So once you search this on Google, you will see a new button on Google search called discussions. So once you click it here, you will find all these websites which are talking about property or anything. So you can go to this website and create an account and start helping out people, and also promote your website and create backlink from all these forums. So this is a very useful plugin if you are into off-page SEO. So as you saw, the plugin is really useful if you want to find backlink for any niche or community. Just install this plugin on Google Chrome, search your keyword and click on the discussion button which you see on SERP, and you will find all the website which is talking about the niche you want to create backlink on. I hope you liked this plugin. Do use it and write in the comment section if it helped you and made your job easier as an off-page SEO. Thank you everyone.